Hello and welcome to our family travel channel. Join us as we explore new destinations and create unforgettable memories together. In today's video, we are going to explore India's most exotic tourist attraction, Andaman Islands, a paradise on earth. These islands are located in the Bay of Bengal and are known for their breathtaking beaches, lush tropical forests, and diverse marine life. In this video, we will take you on a virtual tour of the Andaman Islands and show you some of the must-see places and activities. The capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. This city is known for its rich history and culture. Visitors can explore the cellular jail, also known as Kala Pani, which was used by the British to imprison political prisoners during the Indian independence movement. Another nearby scenic tourist spot is Ross Island, which is located just a short boat ride from Port Blair. This island was once the administrative center of the British colonial government in the Andaman Islands. Visitors can explore the ruins of the old British buildings and also see the deer park on the island. One of the most popular islands among tourists is Swaraj Deep, or formerly known as Havelock Island. This island is famous for its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. The most famous beach on the island is Radhanagar Beach, which has been voted as the best beach in Asia by Time magazine. This is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing. Elephant Beach is another popular beach on Havelock Island, known for its secluded location and beautiful coral reefs. It's a great spot for snorkeling and diving and is home to a variety of marine life like colorful fish and turtles. Havelock Island Lighthouse is located on the southern tip of the island and offers a panoramic view of the island and the sea. Another beautiful island to visit is Sahid Dweep, or formerly known as Neil Island. This island is known for its scenic beauty, vibrant coral reefs, and serene beaches like Lakshmanpur and Bharatpur. Neil Island is also called as Vegetable Ball of Andaman, as it is known for its lush green fields and a variety of tropical fruits and vegetables. Neil Island Jetty is the entry point to the island. It's a great place to watch the sunset and also has a market where you can buy souvenirs. There is a unique geological formation on the Lakshmanpur beach. It's a natural bridge made of coral rocks that connects to small islands. Be sure to take a guided tour here, which is very cheap and offers maximum value in locating various marine life. The Andaman Islands are also a popular destination for diving and snorkeling. The islands are home to a diverse marine life, including colorful coral reefs, turtles, and a variety of fish. The best diving spots can be found at the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park and the Neil Island. The scuba at Neil Island costs less and offers more variety in our opinion. The Andaman Islands are a perfect destination for those looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-filled holiday. With its beautiful beaches, rich history, and diverse marine life, there is something for everyone on these islands. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Andaman Islands and that you will visit them soon. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button and join our family on our next trip.